माना कि हम आपके दोस्तों में शामिल नहीं, माना कि आपकी मोहब्बत हमें हासिल नहीं, इतनी बेरुखी किस बात की सनम, क्या हम याद करने के भी काबिल नहीं। नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, दिस इज़ अमित कपूर. Today I'm going to talk about October 2020 monthly predictions. There's a lot of big change in month of October, like Saturn is direct motion and Rahu Ketu change our sign, Jupiter alone transit in Sagittarius, and Saturn is direct motion transit in Capricorn, and Mars is retrograde whole month in Aries sign. So my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or your sun sign, and it's all based for Indian Vedic astrology. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, this whole month will bring a lot of positivity for you, but you need to be careful about your health. You will be in a negative thoughts because Mars is retrograde in your first house, and you will irritate from your health issues. Some stomach related trouble, some blood infection related trouble will irritate you. This is a time when you need to check your blood, you need to check your urine and blood test, because there is something error in your blood. For example, some blood infection seen in transit, and if you take precaution on right time, so the problem will not too much, so it will be handled nicely. So you should consult your nearest doctor. And if I talk about your finance, this whole month will brings lot of good news related to your job and business. You will earn lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. If you are importer or exporter, you will earn lot of money from outside of India. Some foreign transactions will make you happy, and you will be on another zone of success. And savings will be rise, finance will be better, your health will be fine after 15th of October. But you need to be careful first half of the October related to your health. Now I'm going to talk about your family and friends. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse, because Mars retrograde aspecting is on your 7th house, which is not very promising in the terms of your personal relationship. You need to be careful while talking with the spouse and your family member, due to your arrogance nature, due to your attitude, your relationship will be on downside, or even your relationship, your friends will try to avoid you because you will be in a great attitude. You showing your attitude in front of your family member even, which is not good for you. So try to be humble, do your best. But in the terms of finance, in the terms of job or profession, this month will brings lot of happiness and lot of good news for you. Those native who are unemployed, they may get job, finances will be excellent, and your savings will be rise, and your old debts will be clear. You may buy a new vehicle after 15th October. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. For Taurus ascendants, this whole month brings lot of positivity for you, because in ninth house Saturn is retrograde, Rahu is in your first house, Ketu is in your 7th house, Jupiter is direct alone transit in your 8th house. This time, if you have a good Mahadasha, like if you have a Saturn Venus Mahadasha or Mercury Mahadasha, and that planet well placed in your birth chart, you will definitely grow a lot. You will get promoted, and your salary will be rise, and you will enjoy your all type of comforts related to your family life, related to your professional life. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, your targets will be fulfilled, and whatever you do, whatever you want, you will achieve your all milestone. This month will brings lot of positivity, lot of freshness for you. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and you will spend some quality time with your family and friends, especially after 15th October 2020. This whole month will brings a lot of new opportunities. If you want to invest your money in stock market or business, this is the right time. You should invest your money, because Saturn brings lot of good fortune for you in ninth house, because in Trikona Bhav, Saturn give always fantastic results. Saturn is a very slow moving planet, but the effect of the Saturn is very promising. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. First of all, Gemini ascendants, you need to be careful while talking with your seniors, while talking with your family members, because due to your harsh word, due to your wrong words, or due to your disrespect to your elders or your siblings or your parents, your relationship will undershadow. Try to be calm, be polite, and don't try to arguments. Don't arguments with anyone in your family, because this is a your testing time. Saturn is testing your patience, and especially Saturn is direct in 8th house. You will be much better compared to last 3-4 months, but you have a 8th house daya from your ascendants, so you need to be careful related to some hidden problems will active, or your health will be affected, especially secret part of your body will be affected. So if you have any type of negative symptoms from your body, you should consult with your nearest doctor, and this whole month will bring every result for you. But in the terms of finance and job, you will be in a good zone. Your savings will rise, your earning will be sky high, but not as per your expectations. You deserve lots, but as per planet, only Jupiter is protecting you. Transit in your 7th house and aspecting is on your 11th, 1st and 3rd house, which will give you some support and bring some good fortune for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. For Cancer ascendants, October month will be a biggest game changer month for you. You feel mentally relief. Someone may enter in your life. If you are unmarried, there is strong chances for your marriage. And if you have any type of relationship with your boyfriend or girlfriend, this is a time when your relationship will convert in a marriage. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will click. Jupiter is direct in your 7th house, and this is one of the wonderful placement of the Jupiter. You may invest your money in real estate, you may buy a new house, or you may construct your house and spend some money on your construction, on renovation of your house. You will get a lot of new business partnerships, you will get a lot of new friends, and that business partnership will give you lot of positivity if you are apply all these business partnerships in your life. You can find out a right person for the business partnership. Your partnership will be sky high, and you will earn a lot of name, fame and prosperity. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, this whole month you will be on another height of success. Cash money will make you happy. Your old deal will get mature, and you may contract new sign, new dealing. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will get success in all aspects of life. Your family will support you, your friends will support you, you will feel a good health and positive energy. Your willpower will be sky high, and due to your short journey, you will earn a lot of money. Some new business partner may enter in your life, and your lifestyle will be changed. Lot of cash will knock you, and cash will make you happy. Your bank balance with full of money, and your all desires and your all wishes related to your personal life, related to your professional life will be fulfilled. This is a time when you will be sky high, you will be on top, and you will rise a lot, and you will have lot of plans in your mind to multiply your money, and this is one of the ultimate time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants, first part of the October will be struggling for you. You need to be careful. You need to be careful. Don't trust anyone. Someone may cheat you, or you don't try to invest your money with someone, because this is not a right time. And after 15th October, all game will be changed, your situation will be changed, and you will be in another height of success. You will get a lot of new opportunities, and that opportunities will give you a lot of profits. And after 15th October, you will enjoy good health, wealth, comforts. You will be satisfied from your job or your workplace. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your family will support you after 15th October to 30th October. Overall, this is a mixed fruit month for Virgo ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra, you need to be careful about your health. This is not a very promising month related to your health. Especially skin related trouble will irritate you. Your health is not very promising, and you will feel very negative. Some negative energy will irritate you, or you will be under stress or depression related to your workplace, related to your job. But your spouse will support you, your family will support you. Don't be a part of any argument with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse, because Venus is not very well transit in the month of October for Libra ascendants, which is your ruling planet. So you need to be calm in front of your spouse. If you have any type of problem or any type of problem related to your personal life, this is a time when you keep yourself calm and be polite and humble. And money will knock you, but after 20th October, but not as per your expectations. Overall, this is a struggling month for you. You need to do some puja of Kali Mata. more you do it, more you achieve it. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, this whole month will brings lot of new orders from overseas land, and cash flow will make you happy. Money matters will be better. One of your friends will support you. One of your friends may become your partner in the month of October, because Jupiter is in second house in Sagittarius sign, alone transit, and Ketu is in your first house, Rahu is in your seventh house, Saturn, one of the big karmic planet, transit in your third house in direct motion in Capricorn sign. You will get lot of opportunities for foreign land. There is strong chances to travel in foreign land, or someone may enter in your life from foreign. And if you start some business venture with foreigner, this month will brings lot of profits, lot of new start for you. Your finance will be good, your savings will be rise, you will earn a lot of money, fame, name, prosperity. Your father will support you, your mother will support you. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you. And if you have a good antardasha like Mars Mahadasha, Antardasha, Jupiter Mahadasha or Antardasha, or Moon Mahadasha or Antardasha, you will be top, you will be rise a lot, and you will get name, fame, prosperity. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant's good fortune started smile for you in the month of October. If you want to switch off your job, this is the ultimate time, because Jupiter is alone transit in your first house in Sagittarius sign, will bring good fortune for you. Your daily income will grow, your relationship with your spouse will be better, and if you have any type of dispute related to your personal life from past few month of October will change your whole game. You will be in a very good position, you will be in a very good terms with your spouse, your daily income will grow, and your enemy they are zero in front of you, because you will be top. You will earn some unexpected money from stock market, because Jupiter fifth aspect is on your fifth house, and good fortune started smile for you because Jupiter ninth aspect is on your ninth house. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, then this is one of the ultimate month for you, when you may start a new business with one of your near or dear friend. This is a time when you show your skills in front of others, and people will recognize you, people will appreciate your efforts. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn, October will be a bit better month compared to last 4 months in the terms of personal life, because Saturn is direct in your ascendants, but still aspecting is on your 7th house. You need to focus on your personal relationship. Don't be a part of any litigation or arguments related to your spouse. This is a time when you will be in great stress related to your personal life. Money matter will be better. You may get a new job, you may enter in a new job, you may switch off your job. This is a time when some friends or your family member will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and happiness. All around, this month will brings lot of positivity in the terms of finance, savings, health, but you need to be positive. Start meditation every day morning and chant Durga Chalisa every day morning for freshness of your mind, and try to be polite and humble with your spouse, because only one sector is weak in your transit, that is a sector of your marriage life. So please be polite and be humble with your life partner. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, your Lagan Lord will be direct in your 12th house. Some new partnership deals from far away places knock you. You must invest your money far away place. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. Some unexpected expenditures may irritate you, but your earning will be very good in the month of October, especially after 15th October to 30th October will be a game changer time for you, when your good fortune started smile for you, and you will be earn a lot of money from your old investment. If you want to invest your money in business, then after 15th October is the ultimate day for you, and you will get name, fame, prosperity, everything you will get very easily. Your family, your spouse, your kids will support you, and you will spend some quality time with your family and friend. But you need to be careful, because because Rahu is in your fourth house, which will create some problem related to your personal life. So try to avoid any arguments related to your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. This whole month brings a lot of positivity for you because your ascendant's Lord Jupiter transit in your 10th house in direct motion. You will be on another height of success. New opportunities will knock you. You will make more money. You know how to multiply money, and if you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha or Sun Mahadasha, this period will be ultimate for you. Those native who are willing to who are interested to settle in foreign land, this month will clear your all scenario, and you may get PR, you may get green card or work permit. There's a strong chances to foreign travel and foreign settlement, and your family, your friends will support you this month. You need to be humble. Don't talk with others with attitude. Avoid your attitude which will create some problem in your personal relationship with your family and friends. So thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Enjoy the month of October. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.